Hey guys, today I'll show you how to quickly change the home screen grid size on your Google Pixel. It's super fast, let's jump in. First, go to your home screen. Now press and hold on to any space until the menu pops up. From the options that appear, tap on Wallpaper and Style. Scroll down a little and tap on Layout. Here you'll see different grid size options like small, medium, large, and XL. Select the grid size you like. If you want bigger icons, choose a smaller grid like large or XL. If you want more apps on the screen, choose small or medium. After selecting, tap Apply at the top corner. And that's it. That's how you change the home screen grid size on your Google Pixel. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for easy Pixel tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.